vlog for today's video. I just wanted to share to you how to jumpstart my car. Yung car ko kasi is already 5 years and I guess the battery is due. Since nag-shutdown na talaga siya totally, it's time for me to replace it. So I order a battery, but then I need to jumpstart it too para i-move siya sa flat surface. According to Google, before you place a battery, it should be in a flat surface. Product that we have is the Noco Boost Plus. Ito yung gagamitin ko to jumpstart my car. And this Noco Boost Plus is 12 volts, 1000 amperes. So meron siyang feature. I think it can be used as charger din kasi meron siyang USB port dyan. And then for charging naman, meron siyang USB-C. And then meron siyang meron siyang flashlight. So, to aid you, try ko siyang start on my own. Medyo kinakabahan ako pero I need to do it myself because here in the US, kailangan independent ka and you should know how to DIY everything. And of course, before you start DIYing, you need to check it online para sure and okay ang magiging outcome. Pero I'm nervous, try to accept the challenge for us to learn. So, join me sa aking jumpstart and of course, battery replacement ng aking car. Guys, dito sa car ko, and try natin siyang i-start ulit ngayon kung magi-start siya. See? Tapos yung battery ko red na siya. So I guess I really need to replace it. Ayaw niya mag-start. Kahit anong start, ganyan lang sinasabi niya. So I'll try natin i-jumpstart na yung ating car. So ngayon, titingnan lang natin. This one's positive and this is negative. So what I need to do is first ikaklamp lang. Tapos yung red, ikaklamp lang natin siya. Ito sa positive, negative, and then start natin siya. Tignan mag-i-start ang car. And it worked! Yung ating jump starter is nag-work siya. Sobrang saya ko because I did it on my own. So what I did is, of course, yung red is sa positive and then yung black is sa negative. So, pinanood ko muna siya, of course, sa YouTube and then it really helped. This one's really good. So ngayon, magdadrive naman tayo dun sa flat surface para i-replace na yung battery. Now, this is the battery of my car and kailangan ko siyang palitan na because talagang hindi na siya nag-i-start. So, bumili ako sa AutoZone na bagong battery. So, to replace the battery, kailangan natin to. This is a ratchet and then kailangan ko gloves. Na binili ko from AutoZone, so ikakabit na natin ang ating bagong battery. So for me, first time na gawin to, I'm super scared. Pero nilaban ko pa rin kasi I know na may matututunan ako dito sa part na to. Basta susundin ko lang kung ano yung tama and I know that I'll be fine. So ay na nga medyo nag-spark siya pero hindi ako umatras. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan ko, spark lang ba ang magpapatigil sa aking determinasyon? Of course not. And ayun na nga, finally, I already finished installing the battery of my car. So ngayon, hopefully, it will work. So medyo nahirapan ako kasi yung battery jacket, hindi siya pareho nung original na battery. Pero later on, when I checked the battery jacket, meron siya parang part na pwede mong gupitin. So after nun, in-install ko siya ng walang battery jacket. So akala ko okay lang yun. Tapos when I search sa Google, hindi pala pwede kasi ano siya, protection siya for the extreme temperature. So I have to put it back on the battery. Ngayon, I finally finished installing the battery and hopefully gumana tong car, no? So, i-try natin. I'll make a video din. Okay, let's start the car. Sana wag sumabog. In a 1, in a 2, in a 3. Yay! And it worked! DIY! Thank you, Lord! Ngayon, okay na siya. Wala na rin yung issue, yung mga alarm dun sa aking gear. Kasi kanina meron siyang alarm na kung na-inspect daw yung car ko. Pero ngayon, wala na siya and gumagana na ulit yung car ko. And I did it and I'm very proud of myself. And of course, I did this vlog to share to you guys just to document this kind of independence or personal experience on installing your own battery. And I'm happy na hindi na ako nagbayad ng extra sa service. Also watch the video na after mo siyang ma-install, kailangan muna siyang magamit. So what I will do today is to drive it. And of course, to all people who are watching my vlog, thank you so much. Until next time, bye-bye!